Hello. So as you may know, Windows disabled the bypass NRO command, which lets you go around their requirement of using a Windows account to set up a new computer. And you could just create a local account that's not tied to a Windows account. So this newest update has broken that command. Here's the new way to do this. Okay, so you're going to be at this setup screen. You can go as far here as getting connected to a network. So we'll do this, do skip here. And then it's going to want to connect to a network. We're not going to do that. You don't want to do this at all. Okay, so stop here. Then you're going to do Shift F10. I'm going to do two hands here. Actually, this keyboard, I got to do Function Shift F10. So depending on your keyboard, how F10 works, you might have to do FN key and then F10 and Shift to bring up. This brings up your command prompt. Okay, so now the new command we're going to do is called start, and we're going to do space ms and then hyphen dash there /cxh and local only. There. Okay, now we're going to hit enter. What this is going to do, brings up another window. So this is where you set up your local computer account. So I'm going to just do admin. No, this won't be the built-in admin. I'm just naming it admin. So it's going to be named admin instead of a person's name. Okay. You don't have to put in a password, but you can there. I'm not going to here. Go next. Now it is coming up here with your privacy settings and stuff. The stuff you would normally get in the setup process. So yeah, you can do what you want here. Okay, accept. Okay, so that was way quicker setting this up. So it helps. I think there's some screens we, bypassed, we'll say, of the setup process. And of course, so you see how a lot of stuff isn't available. Oh, it's actually downloading these. So actually it's not downloading them because guess why? We're not connected to a network yet. So that's why we have all these blank icons here. So it's still got to download all this stuff. So that's what's going on. So now you're safe to connect this to a network. And all these apps will start downloading and appearing online then. Let me know if you have any questions. And of course, this is a great way to bypass this new requirement that Microsoft is trying to force people to do. And it's not really a new requirement. This has always been a requirement, but they're changing how you get around it, I guess. So, like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tech videos like this.